Wow, that was a sneaky one. Any casualties?
Are you sick or something?
Nah, I feel fine.
I wish I could say the same.
Come on, guys, it was just a sneeze.
What could it be? Maybe it's these flowers. Barbecue soy nuts? House dust?
No! I told you. It's just something in the air.
Or someone. I seem to recall reading in a medical journal about some rare cases where people who spend too much time together can develop allergic reactions to each other. I didn't think it was true until now.